Hi, good morning students. How are you? It's me Tabshir sir. Now we can discuss some problems about integers in your textbook exercise 1.1. Okay, we can see that. It is the 8th question in your textbook exercise 1.1. Verify a minus b is equal to a plus b. Okay, a minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. This is a very simple question. A minus b. In this case, two negatives are come together. It become positive. One thing, two negatives are come together. It become positive. It's a equation. A minus b is equal to a plus b. In your previous class, you already discussed about two negatives are come together. It become positive. Okay, now we can prove this equation by some values. The first case, the value of a is 21, the value of b is 18. Okay, the first case, value of a is 21, value of b is 18. Put the values into the left hand side of the equation. Which is the left hand side? A minus b. Okay, in this equation left hand side is a minus b. Put the values into the left hand side. A minus b. The value of a is, first case, the value of a is 21. The value of b is 18. Then we get 21 minus 18. We know two negatives are come together. It become positive. Then we get 21 plus 18. 21 plus 18. What is the value of 21 plus 18? It become 39. Okay. From LHS we get the answer 39. In the same manner, we put the value 21 and 18 into the right hand side of the equation. Which is the right hand side of the equation? A plus b. Put the value a and b into right hand side. A plus b. The value of a is 21. Value of b is 18. 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. In both cases, we get the same answer. Okay. In the both cases, left hand side is a minus b. Right hand side is a plus b. In both cases, we get the same answer. Which means LHS equal to RHS. Then the equation is verified. The equation is proved. By first case, in the same way, you will be find out or you will be verify the equation a minus b is equal to a plus b for the question 2, 3 and 4. After completing, you will be sent to me my WhatsApp number. Okay, it is very simple question. Put the value into 118 into 118 and 125 into left hand side. Then two negative become positive. We get the answer. The same answer we get to the right hand side. The answer become both answers are similar or same because a minus b is equal to a plus b. It's a equation verified by first question. In the same way we can prove the second, third and fourth. We can simply prove in this equation. If you can any doubt, please contact me. Then the next, it is the 9th question in your textbook. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal in the box, in this box, to make the statements true. The first question, minus 8 plus minus 4. Then minus 8 minus 4. Now we can calculate the first question. Minus 8 plus minus 4. Minus 8 minus 4. Okay, it's very simple. Minus 8 and minus 4, the example for the negative integer. Then how can calculate? We add the numbers and put the sign of negative. 8 plus 4 is 12 and sign of negative. We get the answer minus 12. Then the other side, minus 8 minus 4. In the previous question, we discussed about two negatives are come together. It become positive. Okay, one more thing. Two negatives are come together. It become positive. Then we get minus 8 plus 4. Then minus 8 is an example for negative integer. 4 is an example for positive integer. Both are the combination of positive and the negative. Then how can add these integers? We subtract the integers and we put the sign of bigger number. One more. We subtract the integer and put the sign of bigger number. 8 minus 4 is 4. Which is the bigger number, 8 or 4? 8. The sign of 8 is minus. Okay. The first case we get the answer minus 12. The next set we get the answer minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4. Which is later, minus 12 or minus 4? Exactly. It become minus 4 because minus 12 is more negative. Okay. Minus 12 is more negative. Then minus 12 is less than minus 4. Okay, minus 12 is more negative. Then we get the answer minus 12 is less than minus 4. Okay, the same way we can find out this next question. The next question, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. The other side, 15 plus minus 8 plus minus 9. Okay, minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7. Negative integer, positive integer. Then how can add? We subtract the integers and put the sign of bigger number. 7 minus 3 is 4 and sign of the bigger number is positive. Then we get 4. Okay, 4 minus 19. The other side, 15 plus minus 8. 15 is a positive integer. Minus 8 is a negative integer. Then 15 minus 8 is 7. And the sign of bigger number is positive. 7 plus minus 9. Then 4 minus 19, 7 plus minus 9. Then how can add 4 minus 19? We subtract the integers and put the sign of bigger number. 4 minus 19 is not possible. Then we use the trick. Subtract the integers and put the sign of bigger number. 19 minus 4 is 15 and sign of bigger number is minus 15. Then the other side, subtract 9 minus 7 is 2 and sign of bigger number is minus. Then we get minus 15 and minus 2. Which is bigger, minus 15 or minus 2? It is exactly minus 2 because minus 15 is more negative. Okay, in this way you will be find out the C, D, E of the 9th question and send it to me, my WhatsApp number, after completing your note. Okay, now we can discuss the last question in your exercise 1.1. Now first we read this question very carefully because it is an application question of integers. Okay, now we can start. A water tank has step inside it. Consider or imagine a water tank and it has a steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on this topmost step. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at the 9th step. Consider a water tank and it has a step. It has a step inside it. Then monkey sit the top. Then the water level is at the 9th step. The first question, he jumps 3 steps down, then jumps back 2 steps. Imagine that he jumps 3 steps down and 2 steps back. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Okay. The next question, after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps and then jumps back 2 steps. In every move, in how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? Okay, the last question, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and the number of steps moved up is represented as positive integer. Represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following. Okay, now we can find out the answer. It is the first case. Please take your textbook in your near. He jumps 3 steps down. Okay, it is a diagrammatic representation of the step from step 1 to step 9. From step 1, he jumps 3 steps down. It is represented by step 1 to step 4. 3 steps down. First jump from 1 to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 steps. Then he back up, or he jump back 2 steps. Then he jumps 3 steps forward. Then he backs 2 steps. In the same order, first jump from 1 to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 steps. Second jump 4 to back 2. 4 minus 2, 2 steps. From 2, he jumped 3 steps down. It represented as 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. From 5, he back 2 steps. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. From 3, he jumps 3 steps down. Then 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 steps. From 6th jump, he back from 6 to 4th step. It represented as 6 minus 2. In the same way, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then the 11th jump, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9th step. He will reach 9th step in 11th jump. One more. He stands first at the monkey is sitting at the topmost step. It represented as step 1. Then he jumps 3 steps down. It represented as 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then he back 2 steps. 4 to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 steps. Then from 2 he jumps down 3 he jumps 3 steps down. Represented as 2 plus 3. Then he back 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. From 3 he jumps down 3 steps. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Then he back up 2 steps. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. In the same order, we can find out the 11th jump. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 step. 9 step is water level. Then he will reach 9th step in 11th jump. Okay. The second case, after drinking water, monkey wants to go back. Okay. The water level is 9th step. Then he wants to go back. The second case, he jumps 4 steps into up and 2 steps into down. Okay. The same way, from 9 to 5th, he jumps 4 steps into up and 2 steps into back. From 7, he jumps to 4 steps into up and 2 steps into back. From 5th step, 4 steps into up. Then how many jumps in it? From 9 to 5, 1. 5 to 7, 2. 7 to 3, 3. 3 to 5, 4. 5 to 1, 5th jump. Thus monkey reached back on the first step in 5th jump. One more. The second case, after drinking water, monkey wants to go back. 4 steps into up and 2 steps into back. It's a diagrammatic representation. 4 steps into up, then 2 steps into back. From 7, 4 steps into up into 3, then 2 steps into back. Then 5th steps to first step, 5th jump. Then first jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, 5th jump. Thus monkey reached back on the first step in 5th jump. Okay. The third question, if he represented jumps down as represented as negative integer and jumps up represented as positive integer. It is the first case. If we add minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, the 11th time we get the answer minus 8. It's very simple. And the second case, he jumps 4 step into up, it represented as positive integer, and 2 step into back is represented as negative integer. In the same way, 4 plus minus 2 plus 4 plus minus 2 plus 4 plus minus 2, we get the answer 8. Thus sum 8 in B represented going up by 8 step. Okay, if you have any doubt, please contact me personal. One thing, in this section we discussed about the addition of integers. Integers have two types, positive and negative, and we study about how can add positive with negative integer, and both of them are negative integer, and also if both negatives are come together it become positive, and